Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna be talking about chemical peel, and guys, chemical peel is a process by which we gently exfoliate our dead skin cell, peeling the dermis off, which is the external layer of our skin. It helps in giving a new skin which feels soft and supple and looks bright. This also helps in cleaning our pores and giving you super moisturized skin. So basically, chemical peels are the gentle way of exfoliating your skin and giving your skin a natural boost. So guys, when these days when we go to dermatologist and get it done, it's quite costly. It's cost around 1500 to 3000 bucks. So why to go and get this done to them when you can easily do it at home? And this is super cheap, guys. All you need is some lemon and aspirin. Guys, the benefit of chemical peel is it helps in evening out your skin tone. It helps in removing the dead skin cells, helps you giving vibrant and supple skin. It also helps in clearing your acne scars and melasma if you have any. And we are going to get into the video, guys, and if you aren't the part of family yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad, and we are going to get into the video, guys. So guys, first of all, I am going to take lemon juice here, and here I have taken half of lemon. Guys, lemon has citric acid in this, and it helps in exfoliating the skin and helps in removing dead cell as well. So yes, I have collected a little bit of seeds here which I'm going to remove later, and after that I'm going to put aspirin tablets into it, and as soon as you put them into the mixture, they start to dissolve. And I am going to add 4 tablets into this, and after that I am going to give it a nice stir. And guys, this is the chemical peel which is going to help in exfoliating your skin, making your skin brighter, and helps in reducing acne scars and dark spot. So guys, this is the consistency we were looking for, and we are done here. And after that we need some baking soda. Here I am going to apply this chemical peel I have prepared, and I am going to cover all my face, even under my eyes, and just keep dabbing it on your fingertips and apply it thoroughly on your skin. And make sure that you cover all the parts of your face properly, especially the neck. Do not leave your neck, guys. And here we are done. I have applied it on my face, and I'm going to wait for 15 minutes. And once 15 minutes are over, I am going to wash my face with cold water. I can see a significant difference in my skin. Definitely this has made my skin brighter and so more smoother. And to neutralize the acidic effect, guys, here I have dabbed a little bit of water on my face, and after that I'm going to apply baking soda on my face. And this is the same procedure, guys. You just need to cover your face properly with this, and you are going to get a tingling feeling in the beginning, but don't worry, guys. And this also has exfoliating properties. It helps in removing the dead skin cells. Cover your face thoroughly. This will help in neutralizing the acidic effect lemon has left, and just wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, guys, my face completely looked like a ghost. I wasn't expecting it to be, and then I washed my face, and yes, guys, as you can see the difference for yourself. This has made my skin glow so much better, and see how supple this has made my skin. And this definitely helps, guys. Just do try it for yourself. So it's a thumbs up for me. So guys, in the end, all I want to say is this really worked out wonderfully on my skin. It helps in great exfoliation and gives you the bright glow. And also, if you have any queries to this, let me know in the comment down below. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad, and hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss update from my channel. And also do not forget to follow me on my social media, link to which I'm going to leave in the description box below. And I would love to hear from you guys, and give it a thumbs up if you like my video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. All you need is all you need is it's super cheap, guys. The benefit so guys the benefit so why to get this done? So guys, this helps